Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the defrost heater in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a flat blade screwdriver, and a pair of needle nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to have a new defrost heater. The defrost heater is located at the evaporator coil inside the freezer. When energized, it defrosts the snow that builds up on the evaporator coil, preventing it from freezing over. If the refrigerator stops cooling, but everything seems to be working, and especially if there is snow on the evaporator cover, the defrost heater should be checked, and if it's burned out or shorted out, replaced. Open the freezer door. Lift up slightly the wire shelf, push it in to free the other end, and pull the shelf out. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, take out the 2 screws at the bottom front, the 2 screws at the top of the rear cover, and the screw that holds the small box in the upper left corner. Leave the front and slide out the freezer floor. Leave the cover box off and pull it down. What we see is the ice maker harness. Using the flat blade screwdriver, open the side tabs and free the harness plug from the cover box. Place the box aside. Push the harness plug through the cutout. Using the flat blade screwdriver, take the ground wire clip off and remove the evaporator cover. Using the needle nose pliers, bend open the 3 tabs at the bottom of the evaporator that holds the defrost heater. Release the heater from the left side clip. Release the bottom of the heater. Remove the 2 foam pieces on the sides of the evaporator. Using the flat blade screwdriver, disconnect the heater's wire plug on the left. Release the wire from the retainer under the ice maker water inlet tube. Next, free the wire out of the retainers on the top of the evaporator fan motor bracket. Now slide the old defrost heater out. This is the old defrost heater next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Place the new defrost heater in. Keep the wire plug on the left side. Push the heater into the cutouts at the bottom, and using needle nose pliers, bend the tabs closed. Plug the heater into the retainer on the left side and route the wires around the evaporator. Place the wires into the 3 retainers. Connect the wire plug. Slide the foam insulation pieces in between the first and the second coils from the top. Bring the evaporator cover and snap the ground wire on. Insert the ice maker plug into the cutout. Install the cover with the bottom of the air tower into the air duct in the center. Secured with the 2 1/4-inch screws. Lock the ice maker plug into the cover box tabs. Install it on the rear cover and secure it with a single 1/4-inch screw. Slide in the freezer bottom. Make sure it locks under the posts on the air tower. Secure to the 2 1/4-inch screws. Insert the wire shelf into the holes on one side, lift it just a bit in the hole, slide it more in, and install the opposite side of the shelf in the holes. Close the freezer door and plug the fridge in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.